Hello,
Hello.
hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but the sound is quite small.
Oh, oh wait.
Oh, I mean, I'm not Kelly.
Wait,
Okay,
wait a minute. How about now?
I can hear you well.
Okay. You hear me well. Okay.
I
Yeah. Oh, dah. Okay. How are you, Ken?
I am great. Oh, kenapa kamera ini? Oke.
Okay. So, what are you doing today? Actually, this is your holiday, right?
Uh, Not really. I woke up at 12.
Oh, good. Oh, I get. Okay, I get. I get it. And then you just wake up and then yeah, hanging around with TikTok or something
Iya,
like
kok
like
tahu?
you. I think we all do that actually. I just
Uh,
I just do that before this one.
oh, fair enough, fair enough.
Okay. So before we start, are you done with the last task?
I just finished it.
Oh, any questions so far about the last task?
Oh, the additional task, right?
Yeah.
Uh, Tadi sih
Hmm?
ada. Which one
Apa?
was it? Kan hours and minutes, right? Tunggu. Ya, hours and
Hmm?
minutes.
Okay.
Oh no. Yang pertama itu cuman ganti nomornya doang, which
Ganti
ya
nomornya doang. Oke.
yang hours and minutes. Terus yang kedua, yang pertama itu saya itu apa? Cuman ngeprint nomornya doang.
Nggak pernah nomornya doang. Bisa
Ya,
nggak checklistnya? Automatic checknya.
bisa juga.
Oh,
Terus kayak lihat tipsnya how to separate, terus kayak ada double slash sama persen kayak something is wrong here, ya udah terus saya ganti.
and then it's done or not? Maksudnya udah selesai belum?
Udah selesai.
Oh, wow.
Ya
Oke,
alhamdulillah.
oke, aman berarti kalau gitu. So, kalau misalnya belum selesai nanti kita bahas dulu. Kita lanjut. Oke. Oh, ya. Ya, let's start kalau gitu ya.
Boleh.
Let me share screen. Wait a minute. Let's we talk about function. Yeah, about print or something else. But today we will learn about variables.
Nah ini dia
I think it's not too easy, but it's easy. Just dah pikir aja, easy aja.
yang istilah-istilah ya.
Yes. But
Ah,
actually there is no kayak variabel yang tetap gitu nggak ada. But we all in here creative with variable. Jadi bisa diganti-ganti.
mhm.
Okay, and yeah, today we will make this thing travel agency calculator. So to for example, someone want to buy the travel agency. Sorry, buy a ticket in travel, and then they adding dia masukin dua nomor dari adultnya jumlah adultsnya, kemudian harga per price-nya itu berapa. Nah, like
Oke.
yesterday actually bisa, but kalau misalnya kalau misalnya number of adults ini beda-beda. For example, like you put 16 and I put 20, maka kita harus tulis kayak gini dua kali.
Hmm.
Gitu. But how that make how we could improve the program actually. Ya, nah itu gambaran dari project hari ini. So
Uh,
today you will learn about variable, of course, and then learn about function of input, and last is capabilities platform for tracking the values of variable. Yeah. Okay, before we start, I want to ask you if you do you still remember about it. What rules of Python language do you know? There is three rules. Just review. It's okay. Not this is not ujian.
Python language uh
Rulesnya.
the rules.
Yeah.
Aduh.
Fighting.
Aduh.
Just not the name, not the name. Kayak apa gitu.
The
We
rules
learned
of
about
Python.
that you still remember about Python. What do you still remember about Python?
Saya cuma tahu Python itu uh, apa ya? Sensitif ya. Cukup
Yes, sensitive.
sensitif.
Good
Terus
job. And then,
nggak harus kalau ada nomor harus ada pembatasnya itu koma.
oh, great. Good job. Okay. And then,
Tiap row-nya nggak boleh ada spasinya. Like
the, wait, which one? I'm sorry.
ya, contohnya nomor satu itu
Hmm?
print. Terus bawahnya nggak boleh ada spasinya kayak tabnya.
Oh, space. Okay. Paham. Okay, that's right. Good
Terus
job. Hmm? And then
hmm,
one more. Harus urut nggak? In order nggak?
harus in order.
Yes. Good job. That is all of it. Ini harus dari kiri. And then this one in order. And the last one is Python is sensitive.
Mhm.
Good job. Okay. Well then, I will skip it. Okay. So yeah, we talk about variable in here. So I think you will know in variable in math, of course. What do you know about variable in math actually?
Aduh, variabel.
Yeah, maybe X, Y, or something, Z, or something.
A plus B equals C.
Yes, I think it's making math is so hard. Yeah, actually, yes, that's right. Variable itu contohnya kayak gitu. But variable in Python actually same with math, but it is a data element that has a name. Yeah, variable are used to work with data that can change. For example, like that before number of adults that can make a change, and then apalagi ya kayak tinggi badan satu sekolah itu bisa bermacam-macam gitu.
Hmm.
Okay. How to setting a variable? Of course, first create a variable by naming it and set the value of the variable. For example, like this one. This
Nah,
is name of variable and then this is the value. Gitu. So, if we adding in here variable, nanti variabelnya bisa kita panggil di sini. Gitu. Secara otomatis dia akan berganti. Okay, I will demonstrate it. Okay, I will skip it about this one. Okay, nah, variable. If you adding to variable in one row, for example, number line two is variable and then line three is same variable. Nah, nanti yang akan di print itu yang paling bawah, gitu. Ini akan hilang. Okay?
oke.
And then, okay, about the names of variable. Actually, it's okay to you make a name of variable like this one, but I think it's not good because it is a ya kayak x y di math itu agak mengesalkan kayak gitu. Nggak jelas itu apa. Terus yang ini number of student at school itu terlalu panjang actually. You will capek. nulisnya. Nah, this is a, for example, a good name, surname, dan blah blah blah. Itu boleh. But di sini aku mau tekankan variable there is no space. You need to make an underline if you
Underscore.
want to, sorry, underscore, yeah,
Mhm.
underscore to make an space. Gitu.
Oke,
Okay, about variable, enough? Or any question about it?
bisa dimengerti.
Okay. Nah, this is a data types that I said before. Do you remember about it?
Sebenarnya ada satu lagi kan.
Satu lagi. But I think this is a little bit same about number, but differentnya itu kayak this is integers, round number, bulat,
Ya, no
and then
koma,
this is, ya ini
koma.
baru koma, yes. This is name, integer is mean int, integers, int,
Ya, ente.
decimal itu float,
Float.
not float about one, not this one, but float. And then this one is string, string is, it is sentence, yeah, about it. Different operation can be programmed with different data types. Jadi semuanya itu sebenarnya bisa semua untuk variabel, but nanti ada beberapa yang harus diperhatikan gitu. Okay, this is this is a sample that variable using a number, sorry, int variable. You
Mhm.
can times times up times to variable in one row is okay. And then you can make any operation and then any calculation in there too, like this one. Okay, yeah, about it. Any question from now? I will
Nah,
demonstrate something.
paling
Mhm.
paling itu apa yang integer integer float sama stringnya itu gimana mengaplikasinya aja sih.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait a minute. Actually, ini sih in Python, in here, misalnya in basic one, it is just two number of Python, data type of Python. For example, like integer and string. There is no float. There is no float. Gitu. Jadi,
Float.
ya, int itu always, sorry, int sama float itu jadikan satu, yaitu int. Gitu, in basic way. For example, like this one. I'm sorry. Maybe you didn't, wait, can you, for
Int
X,
sama float itu sama.
yes. Kalau basic ya, kalau basic itu sama.
Hmm,
Gitu.
oke
But
oke.
in the future, you will make kayak, ya, aku bakal kasih contoh kayak in data analysis itu akan berbeda caranya menghandle-nya. Tapi kalau di sini itu sama, tetap int atau string gitu. Oke,
Oke.
for example this one sih. Untuk aplikasinya di sini masih belum terlihat, belum terlalu terlihat. Oh, I forgot. I forgot about this. Oh, this is the example about your tax. Ta, 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 ta. Oh ya, ya. Oh, okay. Nah, this is float because this is comma,
Mhm.
and then like this one, yeah. Maybe after this talks, we will learn about how to change the data types. Bisa cara mengubah data types-nya. For example, nah, this one. We will learn about this. But right now, any question about it?
Hmm, so far enggak sih.
Okay. Yaudah. Oh, I don't have any kind of demonstrated, but yeah, you can try first. Okay, let's go. Can you start screen?
Your screen.
Yes. We
Oh,
always touch screen actually.
all right.
Oh.
Gimana?
Oh, belum kebuka ya. Can you refresh
Belum.
it? Refresh them?
Oh, oke. Ini ya.
Yes. Number
Ah,
two.
12 nih.
That's not much.
Variable is a data element that has a name.
Of course. Yes.
To create a variable. Seharusnya gini ya.
Hmm?
Seharusnya gini.
Okay. Right, right. It's okay. I will
But,
help you if you. Oh. Okay. About this one, itu no original name. Because ya, kalau misalnya nama datanya itu adalah data tinggi sekolah Ken di sekolah, data tinggi satu sekolah, gitu. Itu terlalu panjang kan? Maka kita harus menyingkatnya. Gimana caranya biar agak lebih singkat, lebih optional,
oh, yang lebih efisien ya.
efisien ya.
Hmm,
There can be several variables in program that have same value. That's correct. For example, like two. Jadi kayak ada beberapa variabel yang sama. Ini value-nya yang sama. Yang sama itu nggak masalah. Kan variabelnya berbeda, gitu.
I
It's okay.
see. Hmm, next.
Okay, next. After this, yeah, like before, actually. Rating.
Oh, uh,
Yes, sir.
aduh. Eh, safety, print, file, name. Oke.
Hmm.
Aduh.
Oh, wah, they're so fast, you know. Oh, I can't do the actual.
Oke. Nah ini.
Big bugs in the program.
Ini dia guys.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Guide Smith.
It is not defined because Smith itu data apa? This is Smith itu value. But value ini termasuk data apa? String, integer.
Itu string.
Yes, if string, we need.
Tanda kurung.
No about tanda kurung. Tanda petik.
Tanda petik. Oh, oops. Yang itu.
Yes.
People's not divine.
Now, people is not defined. So there is no variable people in the app side.
People amount.
Yes, correct. We need to change it.
Ini ticket price.
Yes, good job.
Ini spasi gak boleh kan? Kalau nggak salah.
Hmm, actually it's okay.
Sama aja. Oh, oke.
Sama aja. Kalau spasi di sini it's okay. But kalau spasi yang sebelum, that's not good.
Oh,
It's okay.
lagi.
Boleh ada, boleh enggak.
Seharusnya surname nggak sih?
Yes. Ooh, well done. Surname is value or variable.
Variabel, tapi berarti gak usah petik dong.
Ya, kalau variabel nggak perlu ketik, nggak perlu ya, nggak perlu memikirkan itu kalau variabel. But
Karena
value,
manggil kan.
yes, correct.
Oh, oke.
Okay, checklist, checklist. I think it's correct. Correct. Well done. You did it. Okay, about this one, I just demonstrated for you. Let's try it.
Hmm, sama aja sih. Ini pakai S. Lagi.
If you're confused, just run it. Kalau bingung ya.
Hmm, ini print kasih. Coba run. Of course.
Total is not defined, so we need to define total first. Yeah.
Oke.
Ah, well then, check
Oke.
goes first. If you forgot.
Apa lagi? Di checklist
Hmm,
atau?
yang checklist. Yes.
Oke.
Good job. Okay.
Oke. Ini apaan?
Right.
A family of three people applied to the travel agency. They want to buy insurance covering all possible travel accidents in case of loss of luggage. Mhm.
Yeah.
Ini berapa person? Three people.
Three people. All of them, um,
Ini.
ya,
Tapi ini
beli seluruh insurance-nya.
totalnya.
Yes, you just need to determine the total.
Oops. People. People or person sama aja kayaknya. Hmm. Oke.
Hmm,
Cancellation of flight. Transport kali people.
okay.
Oke. Illness, health, people, passport. Duh,
Then
selesai kayak gini ya. Terus, oh ya, print.
print
Juga sih. Habis itu total. Coba aja ya. Oke.
I think ekspresi itu kayak jawab semuanya gitu.
Oh,
Oke, ya, checklist, cek, cobain.
oke.
Oh, well done. Good job, kan?
Boleh, boleh. Ini apa?
I think same like Paul.
Discount. Rumus
Nah,
diskon apa?
discount. Oh, I think discount is same like apa namanya kemarin increase yang mirip sama yang increase kemarin, but kalau discount itu dikurangi. Kalau kemarin kan ditambah dengan harga asli. Ini di jadi harga asli dikurangi 30%, 35% diskon dikali dengan harga aslinya. Gitu. You understand?
Wait, so 56,000 ini
Ya.
di-
Ah,
dikurangi 35% gitu.
yes, yes. 50,000 56,000 minus 35% times 56,000. Rumusnya kayak gitu.
Oke, kita
Oke,
coba.
try it. I think, yeah,
Boleh
they
ya.
still have a time. Okay.
New price-nya setelah diskon ya.
Yeah,
Berarti 56, 60, 65
you can use price actually.
kurang 0,35. Berapa itu?
Same, the price. Harga
Aduh,
harga price-nya 0,35 times. Langsung hitung.
720 kurang 0,35.
Why you need to calculation? Just use the Python. It's okay.
Nggak salah sih. Eh,
It's okay. Right.
wih, wih.
Wait, okay. Calm down.
Kalau nggak salah ya,
Don't panic.
ini seharusnya dalam kurung dulu.
Okay, let me ask you.
Ya, silakan. Apaan?
Um, how do you get this one?
Saya hitung.
Oh, okay.
Saya
Wait,
hitung.
wait. Aku kasih ini ya rumusnya ya. I think you have some this nih discount.
I miscount.
Wait, price times.
Pakai Pythonnya aja deh. Ini
Then actually
what?
this is the answer.
Hmm,
This is the answer. Uh, yeah.
oke.
Okay. Okay, you got it?
Agak oke.
Okay.
Kurang.
Minus price time discount.
Diskonnya bikin variabel juga gak apa-apa kan?
Yeah, but you need to define first. It's
Of
okay.
course. Discount. Ush. Kalau saya tulis 35% automatic gak? Atau saya perlu convert dulu?
Convert to law.
Oke.
I'm sorry, percent just have any any translate any comment. Beda-beda. Yes. Okay.
Terus ini sebenarnya saya price aja sih.
Yes.
Terus eh, Ini total. Uff,
Oh, total?
new,
Really?
new price.
Yes.
New price.
If there's recommendation, you can click tab. Nanti coba aja. Oke,
Oke.
gitu. Udah. Run dulu, run dulu. I think I give
Oh,
you a
oke.
lot of information in 1 minute.
Oke.
Yeah. Okay, checklist. Check it.
Mhm.
Yeah, well done.
Oke.
Congratulations.
Next level.
Now, can go back first. Let's
Oh,
move on. Any question about it? If you're
nah,
making, uh,
bisa dimengerti kalau variabel.
okay. So I will stop your share screen. I'm
Boleh.
sorry. And then let me share screen again. Oh, wait, wait, wait. Okay. Okay. Do you see my share screen?
I can see it. Yep. Nah, ini dia.
Okay. About this one, data input. Data input. Nah, for example, like before, that we need making a variable. Actually, kalau yang tadi itu tidak efisien ya, kayak apa sih harus buat variable, we can langsung masukin aja actually. Nah, this is the function is variable. Kenapa kita harus pakai variable? That is using data input. For example, data input is it is the function for data input from the keyboard. For example, like if you have some like uh, pengguna, pengguna atau customer want to masukin data ke program kita, so it gonna be use input
Hmm.
gitu. I will demonstrate it further. Yeah, this is the function input. Same like print, we need to input dalam kurung tanda petik gitu. Okay, next one. Nah, there is some problem. Input itu datanya always this one. The result of the input function is always string, not integer. So the data hasil dari inputnya itu nggak bisa calculation gitu. It will gonna be like this one errornya. And so the solution is this one. We need to change it. Change the data variable gitu. Change it from string become int atau integer. Like that. Okay. That just that. Nah, so you get it or still confusing? Actually, I will ini.
Berarti perlu kalau angka perlu di-convert ke integers.
Nah, kalau tulisan perlu di-convert ya ke integer.
Hmm.
Oke.
Kalau bikin kalkulator nih.
Okay. For example, we will making package price. For example, this one aja lah. Nah, we need to making this one. Enter the package price. Jadi, ceritanya, a client purchase service from travel agency for $100. The cashback is 10%. In this case, $10 will be refunded to customer's bank card after the purchase. Kayak gitu.
Hmm.
Nah, di sini, the customer traveling when it give cashback, the client will be refunded 5% toward the bank card. Oh, this is the example and this one the real ano ya, soalnya. Jadi intinya, nah, sorry. Jadi di awal we need to make a variable that need it means package price. So we can make this work. For example, yeah, and then we using input like this, and then we need to
Mhm.
Sounds like this. Actually, if there is life, you can do it just this. Kayak kan nggak ada apa-apa itu is okay, masih bisa masuk, masih bisa berjalan. Tapi nggak jelas, kita aja
Hmm.
sih. Okay, the next after this,
Terus
hmm,
di print.
cash, mm-mm,
Oke.
yes, print. Langsung print juga boleh. Kecuali bla 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 ya. So I will skip it and then price package and then times with 5% or yeah,
10% ya? Oh, 5%.
5% for 0.5 for this one. It will gonna be error. Yeah.
Oh, integer.
So, yeah, so pasti string. So we need to price package dalam
In,
kurung in
int, ya.
price package again, and then it's gonna be working. For example, like this one.
Ah,
Okay, you get it?
I get it. Understand it now.
Okay. So
9.
this is it's just same like before. But kalau misalnya input aja kayak gini tanpa tanpa adanya variable, it's still working actually.
Tapi
It
gak
is
jelas.
still working. Ya, tapi nggak masuk price package.
Hmm.
So, jadi ini undefined gitu. Okay, any question?
Hmm. Bisa dimengerti.
Bisa dimengerti? Oke. Kalau gitu, let's start.
Kita coba lagi.
Yes. If you need to take a break first, it's okay. Just tell me.
Nggak, saya udah hibernasi.
Oh iya, lupa. Number
Gimana?
three. Number three.
Number 3. Ini.
Yes. I will give you a clue. Wait a minute.
The input.
This
Misalnya,
is the one, two, three, four. Try answer. You can try it.
uh, prints numbers entered from keyboard. Nah, the result of the input can be stored in a variable. The result of input function is always a string. Kecuali kalau di kecuali kalau di convert. Tunggu.
But result of input always string.
Of course. Masa
Okay.
benar.
Okay.
Nggak benar.
I will check it. Wait a minute. This is incorrect. You know why? What function to print numbers?
What?
Print numbers entered from the keyboard. And and
Itu integer. Enggak. Enggak. Oh iya.
input, but print
Input.
kalau print itu tetap print gitu. So int is not for that. Okay.
Hmm.
And then you can choose this to I will have it. In parentheses of input function, you can write a hint for the user. Yes, correct. A
Bisa.
hint itu yang jadi input dalam petik itu tadi, yang panjang. Itu a
Oh,
hint. Ya, maksudnya gitu. And then the last, the value entered by the user is the point parentheses. No.
enggak.
Hmm. Value-nya. Langsung display in parentheses of the input function. No.
Ini enggak. Oke. Berarti
Yeah.
oke.
Okay. Good job. Next one. Still typing, but you can try.
Oh ya, oh, oh.
Okay, just calm down. You
Waduh.
don't need building website right now.
Hmm. Oke. Itu emang kuning ya.
Yeah. Okay, 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 okay.
Bro.
Okay.
Ini keyboard ini ya keyboardnya. I'm not used to this keyboard.
Okay. Oh,
Wah ini mah lambat banget nih.
uh, do you have a typo?
Ini kenapa? What's wrong here, man? Woi, P. Woi,
Apa?
P-nya, woi.
Kayaknya besar ya.
Woi, nggak bisa balik.
Oh, nggak bisa ganti. Okay, okay. Refresh saja. You can try again. Sorry.
Oke, bisa balik.
Bisa, bisa.
Oh my gosh. Kayaknya saya perlu ganti keyboard deh.
Yeah, you did it.
Oke.
Well done. Okay, again. Same thing.
Woi, woi. Apa sih ini? Jauh banget. Oke.
Still fast, actually. Okay, pick the
Nah,
box in the program.
ini harus pakai ini. This is not put.
Yeah, that is the put.
Ini
And
put
then
semua. Input. Input. Nah, input.
input. Okay.
Saat ini apaan?
Send itu memang ada send tulisan.
Hmm. Oke. Oke. Masa bener? Nggak bener. Oke. Oh,
Okay, fighting. I don't wanna help you.
petik.
Can do.
Ini petik. Nah, namanya siapa? William.
It's okay. It's okay to differ. Nggak harus William dan seterusnya.
Ya udahlah. Season. Winterfall. Winterfall ya?
Ya,
F aja.
okay. Okay.
Oke. Checklist ya?
Yeah. Try again.
Oh, nggak bisa.
Langsung aja masukin kayak tadi.
I'm
Checklistnya,
William.
ya.
Williams.
It's okay to be different.
Hmm.
Maksudnya
Oh,
nggak harus sama nulisnya.
eh, apa sih?
Ambassador, we didn't
Eh, oh, oke.
well press this level. Okay, try again. Fix box again. Oh.
Petik.
Okay, I'm sorry. I need to drink.
Er, oke. Berarti input langsung sih.
Oh, okay.
Petiknya ketinggalan.
Ah, good job.
Petiknya juga ketinggalan. Ini apaan?
This is total. Wait. Oh, you need to. Oh, this is bad input. You forget something that I think is simple but important in here.
Koma, men.
Good job.
Itu apa tuh?
Nah, ini maksudnya INT itu nggak bisa price hotel. Price hotel nggak bisa jadiin INT. Nah, price hotel itu variable or data. Sorry. Variable
Oh,
or variable.
variabel.
Yes. If variable, we didn't need to
Nggak usah
tanda.
petik. Oh,
Yes.
buset. Apaan ini?
Nah, oh, ini maksudnya ini. Ini perkalian dari string dan INT. Kalau di Python bisa. Nah, kita lihatnya di sini nih. Input days-nya itu masih input doang. Days-nya masih string. So what do you need to do?
Itu saya.
Hmm?
Tuh. Hmm. Hmm.
Ya,
Oke.
yeah.
Oh, harus sama.
No, it's okay.
Oke.
Next level, well done. Okay,
Terus, apaan? Oh,
same thing. But this is discount price. Okay, do you say remember about discount price? I think this one is not like before. This is not using a person discount, but this is bonus. Bonus itu berarti langsung dikurangi aja.
oh,
Jadi the price minus the bonus.
walah. Selesai input kan.
Hmm?
Terima kasih. Kayak gitu. Right of. eh tuh disposal. Oh, ini nggak salah ya.
Kenapa tiba-tiba kok salah ya gitu? Why?
Is this correct? I don't know. Ya
That's
udahlah.
correct. But I think you have a mistake in here. Just little mistake. But it's okay. You can try it first. Coba aja.
Bonus. Coba ya. Kok print
Hmm?
total. Itu buka kok total discount. Uh, uh, coba. Wih,
Oh, careful.
wih. Wah, bad input.
I will
Oh iya.
yeah, we
Eh,
will never know about three.
underscore-nya.
Yeah. Kita understand. Good job. This
Ini
one too.
juga.
Yes.
Oke.
Well then. Oh,
Nama?
it's okay. The program is okay. Just this
Oh, formalitas.
small. Yeah.
Formalitas.
Harus ini ya. I think if you an IT specialist, you have a make a typo in application, people
Mm-mm.
will get, ah, sekelas ini langsung, ya.
15,000. Terus tadi apa? 15,350. Ah,
Hmm? Oh, okay. The ticket price, okay. Have you checklist?
eh, yang salah apa nih? Hmm,
Oh, wait, bentar. Coba saya cek dulu ya.
wah ini mah kayaknya ada typo nih.
Mungkin biasanya gitu sih. Price minus bonus. Ada bonus. Oh, right off. Oh, okay. I found it.
Ah, mana? Ais. Ya ampun. Yeay. Ya, sangat sensitif sekali.
Yeah.
Ada lagi sepertinya.
Huh? Oh my God, saya did. Bonus one. Okay, I will give you the correct. So the variable I think is okay.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, disuruh ulang.
okay. Terulang, okay. Yeah. Nah, about this one, I think we can do it later. Okay.
Oke,
After this class, this is just be a homework maybe.
boleh.
Yeah.
Oh,
Kan ya udah liburan ya. School holiday just
ya.
you can do it. Okay, I'll close the our your screen. Yeah.
Oke.
How about today? What do you think?
Very interesting.
Why? Why interesting? Which one the interesting one?
Yang mengaplikasikan integer sama input.
Yes, integer and input. Okay. And
Karena
then?
di
Hmm?
sekolah nggak pernah diajarin itu. eh Gimana membedakan
Oh, data types.
ya.
I see. Emang kalau kayak C++ sama CSS itu atau Python,
Betul.
but ya, tapi I think masih pelajari itu deh. Nah, enggak ya?
Udah enggak.
Oh, okay, maybe different. Okay. But any question about today?
Hmm, no, not really. It
Oh,
was fun. Very fun.
okay. Yeah. I... Nah, because there is no question, I think you can make another job ini ya, the task. Kamu bisa menyelesaikan semuanya. Nanti if you any ya like this only kayak kalau if you want to ask me, just ask me. Nggak
Eh,
usah takut, nggak usah ini. Anytime. But
oke,
I will I hope I will fast respond gitu.
boleh.
Okay. Yeah. But today I want to ask you what we learned today.
What did we learn today?
Yeah, you still remember?
Oke.
I think we kita belum banyak review tapi ya, it is important thing.
Pas pertama-tama review yang kemarin, the rules of Python.
Yeah.
Itu harus start off, harus in order, sama itu sensitif, which saya udah mengalami tadi. Terus apa ya? Belajar input sama integer sama string. Kalau input itu automatically string. Jadi kalau mau masukin number itu harus di-convert pakai integer.
Yes.
Habis itu belajar variabel. Variabel itu eh, bebas boleh namain apa aja, tapi yang lebih efisien itu yang pendek dan jelas. Terus kalau variabel terus dua kata harus kasih underscore. Apa lagi?
Oh, there's a lot.
Cuman itu sih
Yeah.
sebenarnya.
Cuman itu, yeah, but you did a great job today. You solve berapa ya tadi? Banyak loh tadi soalnya. But yeah, you did it yourself. Okay. Yeah. This is an our class. I will say thank you to Ken to join our class today. And let's meet again in Tuesday. No, Thursday and
Boleh.
Friday next week. Hmm?
Boleh.
And see you. Thank you for today and happy holiday, happy weekend.
Yes.
Bye
Thank you.
bye. Thank
Bye.
you.